What's going on, everybody? Dean here with RC Driver. Hope you're all having a great day. LC Racing, for all things 12 scale and 14 scale, really has their stuff together. They've created a lot of higher end race vehicles. The BHC-1 14 scale off-road buggy, in my opinion, is just an amazing mini race machine. So they've taken it to the next level and come out with a stadium truck based on that platform. And they've included a lot of the updates and aluminum option parts right in the kit. So let's dive on in and show you what it's all about. The backbone of the BHC-1ST is a 2mm thick, hard anodized aluminum chassis with a front kick-up and side guards that help keep flex to a minimum. Right off the bat, you can see that it has stadium truck specific tires designed by LC Racing for carpet and AstroTurf tracks. They are delivered in a medium compound, so you should have good wear. All four corners feature ultra smooth threaded aluminum oil-filled shocks. They build nice and easily and bleed well due to the bleeder valve cap. The shocks mount up to front and rear carbon fiber shock towers with a few optional mounting positions. The towers also have melting holes built right in for stadium truck specific body mounts for the clear LC Racing body. Working our way to the back of the truck, the transmission features a black anodized 7075 aluminum motor plate, slipper clutch, and fluid filled diff with all metal gears. This is just like what you'd find in a 10 scale off-road racing machine. All around the BHC-1ST, there are numerous aluminum bits that were options for the BHC-1 buggy. These parts include a 23-tooth aluminum servo horn, aluminum front bulkhead, 3-degree rear arm mount, aluminum rear ball stud mount, 12mm wheel hexes, and a rear sway bar to help eliminate body roll. While the BHC-1ST comes with a metal geared Bantam D132F digital steering servo, it requires all other electronics. I went with a 1500 milliamp 60C2S LiPo battery, a 35 amp brushless speed control from Hobbywing, and a 2850 4500 kV motor. For great control, I went with a cool Radio Master MT12 transmitter and one of their ultra small receivers. I really like the Radio Master transmitter because it's multi-protocol and can be used with a variety of different receivers. I sent the clear body off to Bradley Farmer of Bradley Fine Line Design, and like always, he exceeded our expectations. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel if you're looking for painting tips and tricks. So let's take this thing down to RC Madness and throw down some fast laps. All right, everybody, I ran the LC Racing's two-wheel drive stadium truck here at RC Madness tonight. Had it bound to my Radio Master MT12 transmitter. Had really good control, but we're not talking about the Radio Master right now. We're going to talk about the stadium truck from LC Racing. Again, a lot of fun, super durable. We crashed it a few times, and I'll get into why in a minute. But the suspension is really plush, durable, but the setup we had on it, especially with this carpet track, probably not ideal. I've got 5,000 weight diff oil in it. I'm probably going to go up to about 20,000. The back end wanted to kind of diff out, so to speak, and it had a little bit too much steering, so we'll probably put some CA type glue on the sidewall tires. So other than, again, setup, the thing is pretty awesome. LC Racing has made some really innovative, fun, and original minis, this being one of them. So if you want to pick one of these up just to have a lot of fun, I don't know how many tracks are racing them yet, but I sure hope they catch on because it comes with a lot of those aluminum hop-ups already. You don't have to buy anything aftermarket to go out there and have fun. Just a little bit of setup depending on where you are, and you're ready to go. So thanks for watching the video. I want to thank Jeff from 413RC for being our cameraman, and drop us a comment below. Tell us what you think.